Ladies and gentlemen, this award ceremony will be conducted by the following representatives of the Minnesota State High School League Board of Directors. Mr. Eric Martins, Executive Director. Mr. Jake Tim, Board Member. And Mr. Zach Kratz, Board Member. They will be assisted by Randy Hill, Tournament Director of the Minnesota State High School League. Would the captains of the fourth place team, the South Washington County Thunderbolts, please come forward to receive their trophy. Bronze medals and the third place trophy will be awarded to the Blazing Cats of Burnsville, Lakeville. The bronze medals will now be presented to each member of the official squad. Starting with number 9, Lady Quittas. Number 10, Alyssa Monacera. Number 15, Kaylee Sorensen. Number 16, Ella Geminger. Number 17, Zaven Katsian. Number 21, Ryan Mulkey. Number 33, John Williams. Number 36, Drayden Fox. Number 38, Caden Zoldi. And number 42, Tano Gutierrez. Student manager, Nora Olson. Assistant coach, Sean Tetke. And head coach, Dave Deal. Ladies and gentlemen, the third place winners in the CI Division, the Blazing Cats from Burnsville, Farmington, Lakeville. Congratulations to all of us, the student athletes. Captains, please come forward and collect your third place trophy.